Hello friends, in the previous video we have discussed about how to write a research proposal. Today in this video we will know what is the difference between journal impact factor and site score. Generally, journal impact factor as well as site score are the metrics which are used for assessment of the quality of any journal. But what is the difference between impact factor and site score? First, let us see impact factor. Impact factor is the journal quality indicator which is based on number of papers cited in the last 2 years. So we have to know what is citation. For example, in one journal for a year it have accepted and published around 100 papers. Out of 100 papers, some 20 papers are cited or having citations in various other journal papers. Okay, so here we define the impact factor as it is the quality indicator which is based on the number of papers cited in the last 2 years. Okay, so generally Web of Science database is following the impact factor as the quality metric for most of its journals. For example, to calculate the impact factor of a journal for the year 2018, we consider two parameters here. One is how many number of times the papers cited in the year 2018 which are published in the last 2 years, that is 2017 as well as 2016. The second parameter is the total number of citable papers in those 2 years. So for example, you name them as X and another parameter as Y. Now the impact factor is calculated as X by Y. Take another example here. The number of citations in 2018 to the citable papers published in 2016, say for example, is 55. In the year 2017, the number of citable papers are 45. For example, here total is 55 plus 45, say that is 100. The number of papers published in the last 2 years, number of citable papers published in the last 2 years, say for example in the year 2016 say 100, in the year 2017 say 200, total it is say 300. Now impact factor is calculated as X by Y equal to 100 divided by 300, so it is 0.33. So now the impact factor of a particular journal for the year 2018 is 0.33. So with this value, with this impact factor value, we can estimate the quality of the journal. Then what is site score? Site score is same as the impact factor, but the last 3 years cited papers are considered for the calculation. In case of impact factor, last 2 years are considered. In case of site score, last 3 years are considered. So generally, journals which are indexed in Scopus database are having site score as the quality metric. In other words, site score is the Scopus impact factor. Okay. And finally, we can conclude like this: all the journals indexed in Scopus database have site score. Okay, and all the journals which are indexed in Web of Science have impact factor, but some of them may have site score also because they are also indexed in Scopus. Okay, so this is what is the difference between the impact factor and the site score. So impact factor is the quality metric followed by the Web of Science journals, and site score is the quality metric followed by the Scopus database journals. So keep this in your mind while publishing or while communicating your paper before communicating your paper, find the quality metric based upon site score or the impact factor and communicate to a good journal. Here one more notable point is, if there is no impact factor at all for a particular journal, then can we apply or then can we communicate our research paper to that journal? Yes, you can do that, but you have to see the publisher. Okay, you have to see the publisher, you have to see whether the paper is indexed in Scopus or Web of Science or Publons or not. So indexing is very important, as well as publishers are also very important. Okay, so for example, IEEE is the publisher, Elsewhere is the publisher, Springer is the publisher, and so on. Very good publishers are there. Okay, so recently started journals in these publishers may not have impact factor or site score. Very recently started journals of these publishers may not have impact factor or site score, but they may be indexed in Scopus or Web of Science or any other good indexing database. So impact factor or site score is not there, it doesn't mean that the quality of the journal is poor. You check the publisher, you check the indexing, and you proceed with the communicating to that particular journal. Thank you very much. If you like my video, please like it, subscribe it, and share the video to your friends. Thank you very much.